that original like.
Oh shit.
Yeah. Which way is the
Nigga, we made it. Nigga, we made it. Woo. Nigga, we made it. From Bonaventure Station, we all agreed to take the metro system to our Airbnb rental. At this time of traveling, it was hot, it was stuffy, and I thought I was gonna die. But you know what? We made the best out of it, and next time I'm taking an Uber. Oh, what the fuck? What the hell is that? Okay, don't ask questions, just walk. Get a tiny bed, but it's okay. This is the next room. Washing dryer. Tiana's stink bad room. The bed is actually comfy. I'm not gonna diss.
This is a nice house, yo. Ooh.
Ooh.
I rate this house.
You know how you know your room's the spot?
Yo.
Good morning in Montreal. Okay. Say hi to the people then. Okay, sorry everybody, she's miserable as hell, but it's okay.
As I'm going to...
Yeah. We're about to go to Urban Planet because they have sale and we cheap as hell right now. But we all look good though. We all look good. Okay, see you later. You probably know her, my best friend. Crazy Eye. Her name is Crazy Eye.
You just held my head like I was your daughter. Like, are you trying to sun me right now?
My daughter. Scene. Now we're gonna approach Tiana's room. Her messy room.
Bitch, please.
You see how she's miserable, how she treats me? It's okay. Anyways, YouTube, you can always follow her at... You want to promote your thing?
Innocent girl. Wait, that's my Twitter. Underscore and Twitter. And my channel is called Tiana Justine, I think.
Okay, there you go. Follow the miserable girl.
Alright.
Okay. The washroom. We're now approaching the living room. And we now approaching... Wait, that was the dining room, the living room. We going to the club. We getting ready though.
Are you still taping me?
No. What the fuck was that? This is the Notre Parlement Religieux. sandwich. Healthy. Yes.